Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another fall nail art video, but in this video I'm also trying nail stamping for the first time. And for that I prepped two nails. I applied 2 coats of milky white gel on those two nails and then cured them for 60 seconds in LED lamp. And now I'm mixing some colors here to make some random designs or patterns on those two nails because white was looking a bit too dull, so I thought maybe I should give them a bit of a color, so yeah. And to protect these designs, now I'm applying top coat and then I will cure it for 60 seconds. And now we are ready to go ahead and stamp our design. So the first thing we need for nail stamping is a nail stamping plate, and I got this one from Shein. Almost all of these plates are covered in this blue film and you must remove this film in order to get to the designs. Wow, so many flowers and leaves on this plate. I think it's perfect for fall designs. Now I'm just cleaning this plate with some acetone and this cotton pad. The next thing we need is a stamper, and I got this set of stamper and scraper from Shein again. I got this clear jelly stamper because you can see through it when you are placing design on your nail. So it's easier to work with this one. Alright, so aside from stamper and plate, you are gonna need stamping polish, and I ordered this one from AliExpress. This is Born Pretty Black Stamping Gel Polish. So today I'm gonna stamp this design on this green part of nail. So let's start. So I'll just put some polish on top of the design that I'm going to use today. And then with this scraper card I will just scrape it, and this is just going to force polish into all these little grooves. And now I'll pick it up on my stamper, and you see there's the design on this stamper. And now I'm just stamping it on this nail, starting from one side and rolling it across the nail like this. And done, there's the design on this nail. I've got some on the nail, so I'm just going to use a nail wipe to clean it. So I think I messed up the placement near tip area, as you guys can see. So I'll just remove it and stamp it again. And that's the beauty of gel. If you mess up, all you have to do is just take it out with a little bit of alcohol and start over again. So after a couple of failed attempts, I got it right this time, and after cleaning it, I'm curing it for 60 seconds. So on second nail, let's try a different design, maybe this one. So let's do this one here. Oh no, it's looking so bad. So let's just remove it. So I'm just gonna use the same design that I stamped on first nail. And now I'm applying top coat to secure these designs, and then I will cure it for 60 seconds. Alright guys, I hope you all liked this video. I really like stamping. I just need some practice to get better at it, but it was fun. So thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!